Here is how to report futures trading on TurboTax step by step. Start by signing in to your TurboTax account and opening the tax return where you want to add the futures trading information. Once you are inside the return, go to the left side menu and click Federal. From there, select Income, so you are in the section where TurboTax handles wages, investment activity, and other taxable items. Scroll down until you reach Investments and Savings. In that area, click Start next to Stocks, Cryptocurrency, Mutual Funds, Bonds, Other, with the 1099-B and 1099-DA label shown beside it. TurboTax will move you into the investment income workflow. When you reach the screen asking if you had investment income, click Yes. The next part asks how you want to add your tax documents. You can choose to import them, upload your form, or select Type it in myself if you are entering the details manually from your 1099-B futures contract statement. Choose the method that matches the documents you have available. Next, select Stocks, Bonds, Mutual Funds with the 1099-B, 3922, and 3921 description, then click Continue. If you are entering the form manually, TurboTax will ask for the bank or brokerage name. Type that in, and if you want, add the account number and payer EIN from your 1099-B. Then click Continue to move forward. TurboTax may ask whether the sales include employee stock. Choose the option that fits your situation and continue. After that, you will be asked how you want to enter the sales information. If you want to enter each futures transaction separately, choose one by one. If your broker provided summarized totals and you plan to report those totals instead, choose Sales Section Totals. Make sure this matches the way your 1099-B presents the activity. Continue through the 1099-B entry screens and complete the details for the futures contracts. Select the appropriate sales section, then enter the investment description exactly as it appears on the statement. Add the acquisition date and sale date if shown, along with the proceeds and cost basis. If there is any other information listed on the 1099-B futures contract statement that TurboTax asks for, enter that as well. Accuracy matters here, so match the figures to the form rather than estimating or rounding from another source. When all entries are in place, review everything carefully before continuing. Check that the sales section, dates, proceeds, and basis all reflect the 1099-B information you are reporting. Then continue through the remaining prompts while TurboTax calculates the investment gain or loss connected to those futures trades. Once the calculation is complete, save your return and move on with the rest of your tax filing. Your futures trading information is now entered in TurboTax using your 1099-B futures contracts form.